dozens of productive deployments per day. Many independent teams doing that. It sounds familiar, right? But what if this is happening in the enterprise data warehouse, the DAX 30 company? Hi, my name is Dmitry Luchnik. At adidas, I'm a solution architect in the data and analytics department. I'm excited to be here and to share with you how we scaled delivery model in data analytics at adidas. Thank you for spending 30 minutes of your time with me on this topic. Let me start with a short intro of what data and analytics at adidas means. Adidas is a global company, running businesses on all continents, grouped into 5 markets. And that means our demands for analytics are also distributed across the globe. We have 5 markets, headquarters, marketing, product creation, supply chain, sales, finance, and so on. It is clear that every function requires data to be efficient. Let me show what that means in numbers. On a global scale, we are talking about many teams in every function of the company who have data analytics at the core of every decision they make. It's hundreds of people in 15 or even more teams who create reports, connecting data sets, building prediction models, and so on. And it's thousands of those who consume those reports and prediction models, or analyzing what is happening right now. From data volume perspective, we are on a petabyte scale. This data is used 100,000 times every week, and it's needed for day-by-day decision making. Where this data is coming from? A big footprint, of course, have our global platforms, supporting core business processes like SAP AFS or S/4HANA in the future. These are covering core processes like supply chain, sales, or finance. Other systems supporting e-com like Adobe or Google Analytics. Such systems are managed and governed centrally. Plus, on top, they have a fair amount of local sources as well. In general, we collect and process the data from more than 40 various source systems. So, what do we have? Global company with distributed analytics demands and usages, multiplied by centralized data sources and platforms. So, what is our approach to offer speed in analytics? Here you see an overview of data and analytics department. Our role, to drive the digital transformation towards data-driven decision-making. How we do it? We provide reliable data, help with insights, and automate decision-making. We have several offerings to interact with the data, addressed to different types of personas, consumers of standardized reports and KPIs, data explorers, or data scientists. We also take care of collecting data from global sources and making it available for analysis. Now, we are going to go deeper into our operational analytics offering. Why? Because data is an area which requires scaling and flexibility to cover market needs for insights, to enable and empower those 15 teams across the globe of teams of content creators, and to serve those 3,000 explorers. So what is operational analytics, or how we call it OA? OA is data exploration, reporting, and visualization platform. It can be used for flexible browsing through available data, finding answers to the question of an hour, getting insights from combining local and global data together. Some of the sample queries or questions of OA are presented here. So we talk about how to rebalance our stock between European countries, or how to balance load in the factories, or under what circumstances it works to go with an air shipment as opposite to the land shipments. To answer these questions, you need to consider multiple data points, demands, supply, availability of the stock, so big area for supply chain. OA is structured in what we call a hub and spoke model. Hub for central functions like onboardings, providing platforms, tools, shaping ways of working, and of course, provisioning the global data from the global sources. Spokes I empowered business intelligence teams located close to analytical consumers. Can be a specialized technological BI team or a business analytics team in the market. They know the needs, they can react faster, and should be unblocked to do their job. This structure is based on several learnings we have made over the years. So local teams are much better aware of immediate needs of what is really hot and what requires an action right now. Plus, creation of visualization for that, spokes are also super at this. They also usually very competent in data preparation for the use cases, because if not for such platforms, they would be doing data preparation manually with Excel, Access, or who knows what else. However, decentralized heavy lifting, connecting to global sources, getting the data out, harmonizing dictionaries, running data quality checks, and so on. We shaped the architecture around personal areas, giving the spokes full empowerment to manage their spoke. It's on schema level, on data transformation or ETL level, user management, all that. You could say it goes exactly according to the Conway's law, but actually we shaped spoke teams around loosely coupled architecture principle. You'll see more loosely coupled concepts here, and this is one of the main ideas which helped to scale up our delivery model. By the way, this is not a first attempt to do something like this in Adidas. Earlier variations were not commonly accepted as they had limited